When it's obvious. This is really the only time that I wish I had a man, like, bro. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long, guys. How am I looking? So y'all, ignore the hair. I'm really trying to figure out this whole natural thing, but today I'm here with an unboxing video. I don't want to do too much ranting and rambling. I know it's been a while. I'm slacking. I have so much going on between like real estate and real estate photography, and like I'm running a social media platform for one of my friends, and then like just a couple other little gigs that I have going on. So I really haven't had time to like do any YouTube videos, but I'm here. I got y'all. I am back today with this video because it was not like a highly anticipated or anything like that, but it is me dropping the video on, ooh, what y'all think these is? Y'all already know by the title of my video. Y'all should know what they are. These are like the highly anticipated shoe of the year is what they're calling this shoe. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. I appreciate those of you who have been following me and still like watching my videos or like commenting or whatever, because I've still been getting like so many subscribers and people commenting on my stuff, and I'm shocked, you know, but I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for you guys' support. So yes, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So y'all, I shout out to my little shoe plug, Mars Black Man. Okay, I got these bad boys, y'all. Like, I got them, y'all. Size 4. Let's go ahead and open them so we can check them out up close and personal. So with this packaging, it comes with this paper instead of the regular little whatever paper that it normally comes with. Of course, it says like as seen on TV. You know, these are like these shoes are, again, shoe of the year, y'all. So here you go, y'all. Here are these bad boys right here. So, and they are of course distressed up here at the top. They also have it on the bottom. When I first saw it, I was like, wait, are these supposed to be like? He was like, yes ma'am, they are distressed on the bottom. They do look like they were already worn. You know, the leather, the quality of the leather is kind of like goes with that whole like distressed look to me personally. And then of course, you know, for y'all that are not super sneakerheads but are still watching, I just want to point out, like, I know these kind of look obviously very similar to like the Breads and a bunch of the other colorways that Jordan has released. But this is not like white, right? So this is not like that. I'm just grabbing the closest thing to me. It's not like this icy white, right? It is a more of a cream, which is why, you know, it obviously goes with the distressed look, and which is why I'm going to wear it with this outfit. I'm going to pair it with this. I'm going to a fashion show today, so we're going to pair it with those. But yeah, so quality, good. I love when, you know, it has the soft tongue. It does come with both laces. You got the white/cream or whatever, and then the black laces. I already laced this one up with the black, so if you guys want to kind of just check out how it looks with the black, you can see. I don't know what I want to wear. Uh-oh, my lighting is kind of off. I don't know what I want to wear as far as the laces. I think I'm gonna go with black laces for today. I think it probably goes best. And let me stand up so y'all can actually see my outfit. So this is my outfit, y'all. Excuse, I don't got no, yeah, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing, and I'm gonna wear with it today. Like I said, I'm going to a fashion show, and I just needed something like swaggy to like throw on. It was perfect that I got these. The box is also, it does have like little distressed look as well, right? This is obviously, if you're a sneakerhead, Jordan, you buy Jordans all the time, you know this is not the standard box. So yeah, y'all let me know why do y'all think this shoe is like, okay, so I'm a sneakerhead, right? But I'm not like into this whole like, oh, Jordan history and blah blah, right? But why do y'all feel like this is like the most highly anticipated shoe of the year? Like, what's so special about this, right? So I want to know what y'all think. Tell me your thoughts. Drop your Comment in the comment section. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know why you feel like this shoe is just so spectacular, because for me personally, right, I was not originally sold on these. Had I not been able to get these at retail, I probably would not have bought them. But just because Jordan really does come out with so many so many similar colorways, okay? So like, we done seen bread toe ones and, you know, mids and lows and whatever. Like, we just have seen so many different 11s, bread 11s, shit, the Carmines too. Like, Jordan has so many red, black, and white shoes. So I wasn't super sold on the colorway, but obviously I understand that it's deeper than just the colorway, right? And all of that. So yeah. Y'all tell me what y'all think about these. Did you cop these? Did y'all want them? Like, I know people are going crazy about them. So like, I've been having people call me like, what shoe you buy? What shoe is that? What shoe was that in the shoebox? So yeah. And then of course you gotta have this, right? To authenticate. You gotta have this, right? Yes. This is what you must have. I know people are reselling, so they're like, if you don't have this, you cannot resell the shoes for the price that y'all are reselling them for. So that's that. I'm about to put these on. I'm trying to decide if I should go with like a scrunchy sock, you know, or whatnot, or if I should just wear it with like a regular Nike sock and put it on. See which look I like better. And then I need to probably be getting ready to head out the door. What time is it? 5:14. No, I don't have to be there till 6:25. My boo ain't sitting back. Anyway, my lip, do it go? We're gonna make it work. Whatever, it's giving pink. But what y'all think about this little fake rolly, this little JBW watch busting, y'all? Anyways, I'm getting off track, but okay, let me go put these on, figure out how I want to swag it out, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop comments, questions, anything you have in the comment section. And hopefully I will be coming back with more YouTube videos soon. Bye, y'all. Love you.